Hola chicos, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn about the ColorSync feature in Design Space, what it is, and how it can help us simplify our jobs. So we're going to open up Design Space and either go to Canvas, or you can also hit New Project on the right. And we're going to go to Images, and let's search for some spring flowers. They tend to give you that lots of colors. So we have lots of different examples here. Let's pick this one. And we can see that we have on the right for layers under ColorSync. If you go to ColorSync, it tells you how many different mattes, different colored vinyls or paper you will need to complete this project. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. So say you want to simplify this and you want to do it in 2 cuts. You want to do your leaves all in green. You want to have all your flowers be pink. So we're going to go, let's collapse this. I'm going to bring this to the middle, get a little larger. We're going to ungroup this because we want to work with each individual tulip. We're going to go to ColorSync on the right, and you're going to move everything to the pink. So we want to take this and we want to turn it pink. You're going to drag it and drop it into the color that you want. We want to change the yellow, and you'll see that the yellow is going to change pink. See? Now we're going to change the orange to the pink as well. Now we have everything is pink and the leaves are green. So we went from 5 layers to 2 layers. So now when we hit make, you will see 2 mats, meaning you will only need 2 pieces of either paper or cut. You have the green, which is all your leaves, and then you'll have all your pinks, which is the tulips. So we simplified our project. We went down from 5 layers to just 2 layers. So now you don't have 6 different cuts to make. You only have 2 cuts. And it's going to make the project faster and easier to make. Okay, guys. So we've done a couple of different tips and tricks on Cricut. So make sure you watch some of those videos. You'll find them on my channel. Soon I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload your own clip art or SVG files so that we can use our Cricut to cut them. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notifications, and I will see you soon.